In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable cookies on Google Chrome in Windows 11 in just a few simple steps. This is helpful if a website is not working properly, if you are having trouble staying signed in, or if a site keeps asking you to accept cookies over and over again. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find the cookie settings in Chrome and how to turn them on the right way. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Chrome menu, where all of the browser settings are located. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you to the full Chrome settings page. Now, on the left-hand sidebar, click Privacy and Security. This section controls the browser features related to cookies, site data, tracking, and browsing protection. In the middle of the page, look for third-party cookies or sites that can use cookies. Depending on your Chrome version, the wording may look slightly different, but it will be in this same privacy section. Click that option to open the cookie settings. Here, you'll see different cookie choices for Chrome. To enable cookies, select Allow third-party cookies. This helps websites store and access the data they need so pages can load correctly and sign-ins can work as expected. If you only need cookies for certain sites, you may also be able to manage site-specific permissions, but for most users, allowing third-party cookies is the quickest fix. Once you've selected the setting, Chrome will save it automatically. There is usually no extra save button needed. At this point, you can close the Settings tab and go back to the website you wanted to use. If the site was having trouble before, refresh the page and try again. In many cases, enabling cookies will immediately solve login issues, shopping cart problems, or content that was not loading correctly. If you want to be extra careful, you can also check whether any cookie blocking extensions are installed, because those can sometimes override your browser settings. But for the basic Chrome setup in Windows 11, the steps we covered are all you need. So just to recap, open Chrome, click the three-dot menu, go to Settings, open Privacy and Security, choose third-party cookies, and select Allow third-party cookies. It only takes a minute, and it can make a big difference when a website is not functioning properly. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.